Alright, hello everyone, my name is InsenerKarl and today we are unboxing the G513 Carbon. So I got a new keyboard and let's hope it's good, you know. So yeah, let's unbox it. I think I can do it like this. Get this open. And I still haven't gotten a tripod. So now we do it like this. See, it works, and this is back of the box, you know, not that interesting. So I got the tactile switches because why not? And now, wow, it looks like a keyboard, right? So let's take the box out. Oh, it has this. Okay, let's take the entire thing out. Under this is the wrist rest. So yeah, and nothing really interesting in the box. So I will take the cable out. Okay. And here are some switches. I think they might have a different pattern on top, or there may just be replacements. So yeah, I will now take the plastic off. Okay, and here it is. I think it is a lot better feel than the Razer Green, which I have on my current keyboard. Yeah, it's the tactile. It's quieter and it feels good. So I will now show you some RGB pictures and yeah, with this waste rest. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.
I don't know what you want.